Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you are in the market wondering which cooker and oven combo is built for strong performance and versatility, then stay tuned. We are diving into Ninja's appliances that truly deserve your attention. The Ninja Combi 12-in-1 SFP700 multi-cooker and oven in gray, and the Ninja Foodi MAX 15x1 SmartLid OL750 multi-cooker and air fryer in stainless steel and black. These two are absolutely game changers in the kitchen, but they each offer something a little different. So let's help you to figure out which one is right for you. The Ninja Combi SFP700, the first thing you notice is its sleek gray finish and surprisingly compact footprint, especially considering how many cooking functions it packs in. Once it's out, it immediately feels premium and sturdy. This is a 12-in-1 appliance, meaning it can steam, air fry, grill bake, roast, slow cook, and more, all in one unit. What makes the Combi stand out is its innovative Combi cooker pan and Combi crisp tray, which allow you to layer different ingredients in a single cooking style. It is designed for hands-on, one-pot meal where everything cooks evenly. You don't have to juggle multi-pans. The unit heats up fast and uses Combi-Steam technology to lock in moisture while still crispening food, perfectly for juicy chicken, fluffy rice, and roasted veggie, all in one go. It is the kind of machine that simplifies weekday dinners and still delivers restaurant quality results. Now let's move on to Ninja Foodi MAX OL750. This one comes out of the box with real presence. It is slightly bigger and bolder in its stainless steel and black finish, and it feels like a true all-in-one powerhouse. The big feature here is the SmartLid, which combines pressure cooking, air frying, steaming under a single lid. No need to switch out parts. This one offers a whopping 15 cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry, grill, bake, dehydrate, steam, slow cook, and yogurt, just to name a few. But the real star is the Combi-Steam mode, which intelligently blends steam and convection to cook food faster while keeping it tender inside and crisp outside. It is ideal for big families or meal preppers due to its 7.5-liter capacity and smart cooking system that comes with a built-in digital cooking probe, making it almost impossible to overcook meals. When considering the two, the Combi SFP700 shines for those who want simplicity, compact design, and truly effortless one-pot meals with Ninja Combi pan setup. Meanwhile, the Foodi MAX OL750 is for the serious home chef who wants maximum functionality, larger capacity, and advanced features like pressure cooking and SmartLid system. So whether you are looking for more compact, efficient cooker that is great for everyday meals, or a full-blown smart cooker with advanced options, Ninja has you covered. With these two powerhouse appliances, you are good to go. Let us know in the comments which one you are leaning towards. These appliances deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.